What's going on, guys, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Jay Ford. We are back with another video, man. Thank you guys for coming through. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your in-cabin air filter. Pretty simple job. I was supposed to do it on the previous video, on the 100,000 mile video, but didn't get a chance to get around to it. Plus, I thought it'd be better to make it a separate video. So let's just go ahead and dive right into it. For this process, so your in-cabin air filter will be right behind this, right behind your glove box. So you just open this, remove all this out of here because you're gonna have to end up dropping this anyway. So let me go ahead and take this stuff out. All right, so I pretty much got everything removed. So next, so this piece that you see right here, you're just gonna push up this way, back towards you here. Go back up. There it is. Then you pull it out. There it is. Push up and pull out. Alright, and then you got a piece right here. You push in. There it is, and it drop down. And your in-cabin air filter is gonna be behind this right here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna end up taking this out. So the tools that you need for this is a ratchet and a plastic pry bar. You're gonna need to go ahead and remove this piece right here. You use the plastic pry bar to get right here. It's like four little clips. I forgot how many clips. I don't necessarily know if it's 4, but just pry these clips out from up under here. There it is. You see the pins on it right there. Then right here, as you guys may see, that there is 7mm sockets that you have right here that you have to get out. This one and this one over here. There's your one screw. Now once you get that piece off, you go ahead and pull this piece out. Might be stuck a little bit. Oh, shoot. Be careful because you got like a little switch right here. So just let that hang to the side. There you go. And then your in-cabin air filter will be right there. So you're gonna pull on the latch, little door latch, and there it is right there. Oh man, look how dirty that is. Jeez, that one is pretty dirty. Look at that. It's probably hasn't been changed since. I know I didn't change it when I first got it. Probably should have, but man, it's pretty dirty. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. The new one I went and bought from Advance, so they gave me the option of Fram and this CarQuest one and another one I believe Bosch, but I just went with this one. It was cheaper, so I just went with the cheapest one. So probably should have went with Bosch or something. But as you can see, it got the little arrows right here. So the air is going down. So this side is down right here, so this is the right side up. So if it's like this, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's a little bright out here. I want to show you guys the difference between the new one and the old one. This is the old one. Look how dirty it is in there, man. This is the new one. So pretty much now we're just gonna reverse everything, putting the door latch on. Alright, boom, got that on. Now it's time to put this back in. Go. Put this piece back in here. Let's put it right back in. Then you can just pretty much redo everything that you had done here. And there you go. Definitely don't forget to put this piece back in, and you're pretty much set. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple install, nothing too crazy, nothing too hard. Like I say, don't forget to install this piece back and make sure your clamps and everything in. But that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.